Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Pilot English channel. Please have it today's lecture. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. ታሞ ከመማቀቅ አስቀድሞ መጠንቀቅ። It is getting late. It is getting late. It is getting late. ረፍዷል። I am over the moon. I am over the moon. ደስተኛ ነኝ። I am over the moon. ደስተኛ ነኝ። I am gutted. ከፍቶኛል። I am gutted. ከፍቶኛል። I am gutted. Money talks. ገንዘብ ኃይል ነው። Money talks. ገንዘብ ኃይል ነው። Money talks. ገንዘብ ኃይል ነው። Don't be yellow. Don't be yellow. Don't be yellow ፍሬ አትሁን። Better late than ever. Better late than ever. Better late than ever. ቢረፍድም ከመቅረት ይሻላል። Brothers and sisters, come on and try. Just practice. Practice makes you perfect. If you practice 3 or 4 dialogue, conversation, for sure, within a half year, within a year, you can skill up your English ability. You can be a good communicator. Brothers and sisters, please subscribe, follow, share, and like. See you next time.